Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking a really fascinating process, AI video script engineering. Now, get this, fun fact for you. Creators who reverse engineer successful video structures, rather than just staring at a blank, intimidating page, can actually cut their writing time by up to 70%. Pretty wild, right? If you've ever watched a brilliant piece of content and thought to yourself, man, I want to make something exactly like that, but completely my own, well, you are definitely in the right place. We're going to walk through the exact steps to teach you original script writing so you can transform an existing source, your raw inspiration, into a totally original AI-engineered masterpiece.
And that brings up the absolute million-dollar question, doesn't it? How do you copy a viral video without actually copying it? Look, as focused learners and creators, we constantly stumble upon structures, pacing, or storytelling styles that just work brilliantly. Naturally, we want to replicate that success. But crossing that line into plagiarism or copyright infringement, yeah, that's a massive pitfall we want to avoid. We want the secret sauce, not to literally steal the exact ingredients. So this whole explainer is really about how to extract that underlying blueprint safely and effectively.
So the crucial point here, call it the foundational law of AI video engineering, if you will, is super simple. You absolutely shouldn't generate a near copy of someone else's copyrighted script. An AI assistant cannot, and frankly should not, just analyze a web link directly to rip off someone's hard work. It's not just about staying compliant, it's about genuine originality. You can't just casually drop a link into an AI prompt and ask it to clone the whole thing. We have to be way smarter about our inputs to guarantee a truly original output.
Because of that direct link limitation we just talked about, you really have to be strategic about how you feed your AI tool. You've essentially got two highly effective options to bypass that barrier. Option 1 involves grabbing the actual text yourself. You go to your inspiration source, click Show Transcript, copy all that text, and upload the transcript directly. Option 2, on the other hand, is uploading the actual video file itself or just pasting the raw narration audio. Providing this raw text or audio is the critical first step in script writing because it forces the AI to look at the granular, raw data. We're talking word counts, sentence lengths, natural pauses, rather than just passively scanning a high-level internet link. Okay, let's dive into this first pathway, the transcript route. When you feed the AI the copied text from your inspiration, it kicks off step 1, which is structural analysis. It's essentially looking at the skeleton. Where exactly do the beat changes happen? How long is the intro? What's the core argument? Then we move right into step 2, where the actual script writing mechanics come into play. The AI maps out the emotional beats, maybe identifies a classic problem, agitate, solve structure, or some perfectly placed calls to action, and then it fills those exact structural buckets with your brand new original topic. It maintains the identical pacing and that compelling storytelling rhythm you loved so much, but the content is uniquely yours. It's honestly like borrowing a house's floor plan, but building it with completely different materials.
Now, if you choose option 2, uploading the video or audio file directly, things get incredibly dynamic. In step 1 here, the AI isn't just reading words anymore. It's reverse engineering the entire sensory experience. It breaks down how the hook grabs your attention, both visually and auditorily. It analyzes the flow, the specific editing style, the whole vibe. Then for step 2, it creates a totally unique script designed to deliver the exact same type of value to the viewer, completely without copying. It captures the underlying impact of the original, engineering those invisible elements directly into your new creation.
And that brings us to the most exciting part of the entire process. We've analyzed all the inputs, and now we enter the output phase. This is the exact moment where your unique voice and your brilliant ideas are finally injected into that proven framework, turning it into something truly your own. The AI has done all the heavy lifting of mapping out the pacing, the structure, the tone, and now it hands you a professional, completely original AI video script. But what you receive isn't just some boring block of text. You are getting a comprehensive end-to-end production packet.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what's inside that packet. It is incredibly comprehensive. First off, you get a strong 5-second hook designed to instantly grab attention. Then, the original narration script, perfectly paced out, but it goes way beyond just text. You actually get scene-by-scene AI visual directions. It maps out the voiceover timing so you know exactly how it should sound when spoken. It even hands you the specific AI image and video prompts you'll need for cutting-edge generative tools. We're talking Veil, Runway, Pika, Kling, you name it. Finally, it tops the whole thing off with caption ideas and editing suggestions. It is literally an entire studio's worth of pre-production work, engineered seamlessly right out of your initial inspiration.
So now that you understand the true mechanics of AI video script engineering, how to analyze, structure,
how to smartly bypass that copy-paste trap, and how to generate a comprehensive original production blueprint. The power is entirely in your hands. You know the exact original scriptwriting steps to turn inspiration into an original creation efficiently. You've got the ultimate framework for learning from the absolute best without ever crossing the line. So the only question left for you to answer is, which video will you use as your first AI blueprint?